Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So when I was making my little tassels here, I've got two left. I used one of them, but when I was making my little tassels here last week, that Jenny from Creative Creation, but she was making these cute little tassels, and she had seen it from, on someone else's channel and so on and so forth, and I decided to make some. Well, going back to my seam binding, guys, I was out of pink seam binding. It seems like that is, and I had a lot of it, but seems like I was out of pink seam binding, so I placed an order, and I wanted to share that with you guys. This is from a company on Etsy, and it is called Bluebird. Let me make sure before I start quoting someone wrong. It is called Bluebirdlane. Yes, I was right. Bluebirdlane. And this is the only place I ever order my seam binding from. So I placed a sizable order, and it came in, so I just thought I'd share it with you guys. So she always, like I said, that's the only place I order from, but she always makes it look so pretty. She'll always put a tag on it, and she'll wrap it, the tissue, the package in a some seam binding. It always has a little flower tag, always. I've never gotten one that doesn't. So anyway, the lady's name, the owner, her name is Donna, and she is such a sweetheart. So anyway, she sent me my package, and I thought I would open it up and share it with you guys. So isn't this pretty? Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Anyway, it's a gorgeous little tag, and I reuse her tags because they're really sturdy, and of course the flower. Oh, hello. So let us open this package that looks like she wrapped with care, and I will unwrap with minimal care because it's packaging. Okay, so here we go, guys. This is look at that. I ordered all pinks, so I ordered 4 packages, and this is so pretty, and I love it because it's already color coordinated. I did order 2 of these, but they are already color coordinated, so I go ahead and I just pick whatever she put together, because you guys know I'm terrible at putting colors together. But look at this, all this, I forgot the name of each one, but this one is in the pinks, and I ordered 2 because I wanted 2 of these, but of course, guys, I'm going to use it all. And then there's this one. Wish I remembered the names. And they're always, have a little wrapping and a little, punch on there. I've gotten some with birds. I've gotten some with, different punches on there. But there you go. Very, very cute. And they are, I think it is 6 yards of each. I have to go back and look. I'm going to put the Etsy link in the description box so you can see exactly what it is, but offhand it seems like I remember it being 6 yards of each color, I believe, and it's $6 per package. So I did the math, and it comes out to like 33 cents a yard. So along with that, she sent this package, and just for you guys, this is a giveaway that she included. Now, I did order 6 packages, and this is only 4, so there are still 2 packages in here that belong to me, and if I'm not mistaken, those are like in the grayish tones, and then there's another one with the shabby colors. So these are 4. I still need 2 more, and this package, I don't want to open it if it's not with you guys, because she sent me extras, guys. She sent me, I don't know how much, because like I said, I don't want to open it without you guys, but it is for a giveaway. All I ask is that you comment in the comment section and put something, enter me, I'd like to be entered, something. Just let me know that you'd like to be entered, because sometimes people don't want to be entered, and this way I know that you do want to be entered. So anyway, like I said, she always wraps her, her packaging. She always puts a tag on there. She put a white flower on here. And this is the reason I think my other one is in here, because I ordered something along this color and something along this color, which is what she used for the first package. So anyway, I am going to, and then she always sends samples. I don't know, maybe because she sent the free ones that she didn't send the samples, but anyway, so she sent some freebies here that I'm going to be giving away. And there we go. Yep. This is the other package that I ordered, because I don't think I have any. I think I had samples that included these colors in there. And then this is the other one that I ordered. Oh, she did. Okay. So this is the other one, the shabby colors. So this is the other one that I ordered. So I have got to assume, these are the giveaways, I think. But anyway, so I don't know if these are samples or not. Probably not. I'm just going to say all of this is part of the giveaway. So let me show you what you will get as part of the giveaway. This is the first package. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Aren't those pretty colors? Oh my goodness. Look, she wrapped a little flower around it. Very, very beautiful. Look at these colors. They're in the cream colors. This one's, like a, I don't know what color that is, but that is so pretty. Guys, these are pretty. And she sent probably about a yard of each. Nice. Let me see how many yards are in this little, and then we can kind of guesstimate that that's what will be in the others. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yards, guys. Oh, this alone would have been good. But look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So that is in the first little package. And then in the second one, this is in the pinks, and I'm assuming it's about 8 yards of each color as well. So this one probably comes off. Anyway, I'm not gonna mess with that. And she has wrapped it in a cute little flower. Look at that, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, those colors are pretty. I love the way she puts them together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one has this one has 10, guys. That's good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Love crinkle seam binding. You guys know I do. And this one is in the blue tones. So let me see. Wow, these are pretty. Look at that. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are pretty, guys. Can you see that on like a summer project? Those that, something, I don't know, coastal maybe. Beautiful. Nautical is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Look at that pretty little rose. Oh, guys, these are so pretty. I just love them all. And the good thing is that I probably have all these colors in my stash somewhere. But anyway, guys, that is the free giveaway. That's a lot. All right, guys, just don't forget to let me know if you want to be entered into the drawing. I am going to leave this open for what's today? Sunday. I'm going to leave it open for a week and a half, and yes, I have a calendar right here. Let me see. Today is Let me find my month here. April, here we go. Okay, I am going to leave it open. Today is the 5th, right? No, that's Palm Sunday. Today's the 12th. I will close it on the 29th, and I will mail it on the 1st. Okay, guys? So I'm going to mail this. It's today. I am going to close it on the 29th. Whoever wins will have until the 1st to contact me, which is May 1st, and I will send it out, you know, if not this Saturday, the following Monday. But you will have the 30th and the 1st to contact me. I will leave my information on the video, on the giveaway video, in the description box, and you can contact me through my email. All right, guys, thought I'd share this quick haul with you and do a giveaway. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day. Love you all.